Dr. Seuss's Summer by Alice Lowe, illustrated by Roy McKie. We like the things that summer brings. It brings the sun, it brings the heat, it brings the things we like to eat. Summer brings so many things. We like to ride way out of town. We like to ride uphill and downhill. It feels so good when we go fast. We like to feel the breeze go past. We ride and ride about a mile, and then we stop and eat a while. We like cold things, we eat them up. And when we eat, so does our pup. We like the things that summer brings. It brings us fireworks late at night, all red and yellow, blue and white. They go up high. They are such fun. Look, look, there goes another one. Some summer days we take a ride. The car gets very hot inside. And when we sit in all that heat, we wish that we had used our feet. At last, we are no longer hot. Cold water cools us off a lot. It cools us off down to our toes. Our pup is going to cool his nose. Summer brings so many things. Summer brings us rides on swings. We swing up high into the trees. We swing so fast we make a breeze. Then down we go into some hay. We like to play this game all day. Summer brings us things with wings. We like to catch them with a net and see how many we can get. In summertime, we say hello to all the fish way down below. They look at us. They seem to say, "What kind of fish have come our way?" A summer fair. A fair is fun. In summertime, we go to one. Around, around, around we go. The ground is very far below. Summer sun brings garden fun. We have to water well, we know, to make our garden grow and grow. You water me, I water you, and that will make us grow fast, too. Some summer nights we cook and eat. Our pup is not so very neat. We like the things that summer brings. We like to fish with sticks and strings. We sit and sit. We wish and wish that we could catch just one small fish. Some days we catch one 10 feet long, and 10 feet fish are big and strong. They get away. They take our hook. They never take them home to cook. We like this way to spend a day. We make a sand house on the shore. We make some windows and a door. Then waves come up. They come up fast. Sometimes our sand house does not last, but there is lots of sand to dig to make another just as big. When we go out on summer nights, we see the fireflies with their lights. We catch them. They will give us light to find our way back home at night. We ask a farmer, "Will you stop and let us ride back home on top?" We let the fireflies go away. The moon is out. It lights our way. We hear the horse go clop, clop, clop. Our pup goes fast asleep on top. We stay awake and think of things, the happy things that summer brings. That was Dr. Seuss's Summer by Alice Lowe, illustrated by Roy McKie. Thanks for watching.